we're going to review how to import mesh data into XDesign. To import any information, go down to New File, Import. Then you go through and specify the file type you're going to import. In this case, for mesh files, we can import STL or OBJ. Then we can specify where we're going to get the file from, either our local computer or from 3D Drive. You can go through and specify the units being used and also specify the orientation of the axes, either Z up or Y up. And when the mesh data is imported, it comes in as a design feature. You can also import large STL files up to 150 megabytes like the scan of this Corvette, but you might see a decrease in performance. Installing 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORks is truly simplicity in its best form. The ease of all you need to do is go through, log into your account, select 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORks, then you have access to install SOLIDWORKS Connected. Just click on the icon in the browser and it starts the install process. And all you have to do is go through a couple of prompts and it'll automatically go through, download the files, and start the installation process without having to spend time with code numbers and screens. Just go walk through the next prompt as needed and it installs everything you need. And it's just that easy. Once the installation is complete, you can go through and select the icon to launch SOLIDWORKS Connected right through the browser, and then it'll go through and launch automatically. And that's it. You're up and running with 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS.